Hello everyone. Today we will discuss a topic solvation and association under the category of solubility. First of all, as we all know, what is the solubility? Solubility means when any particular solute gets dissolved in a particular solvent. That is called solubility. Then there is some difference between solvation and association. Solvation simply means a solubility or simply means a dissolution. When a particular solute is dissolved or solvated in a particular solvent, this process is called solvation process. First of all, we will discuss its definition. The process of solvation is called dissolution. Solvation is a kinetic process because here kinetic energy is needed, so it is a kinetic process. It is defined as an attraction and association of the molecule of solvent with the solute. Here some type of interaction or some type of attraction force is needed for the solute particle to get dissolved in a solvent, or some type of association should occur between both of them, because if attraction will not take place, then solute and solvent will repel each other and they will not get dissolved. And in the same way, if they will not form a complex or an association, then they will not get dissolved. When a solute is soluble in a solvent, the solute molecule spreads out and becomes surrounded by a solvent molecule, and a complex is formed. This complex is called solvation complex. Solvation process is affected by hydrogen bonding and van der Waals forces. These forces depends on molecular structure of solute and solvent both. During the process of solvation, some type of force is needed, and this force may be of hydrogen bond or van der Waals forces, and these forces depends on structure or many factors related to solute and solvent. If during the process of solvation the solvent used is water, then this is called hydration. And if the solvent is other than water, then this process is called solvation. Hydration means related to water. What is the use of this solvation? It helps in measuring the solubility of a complex, and the formula for solubility is mass per unit volume. Second topic is what is association. Association is a process where two opposite charges come together and form a new molecule. Association can be of any type, and the classification of association is based on different factors. First is the based on number of ions. If the closing ions are of 2, then the association will be droplet. And if 3 ions are coming, it is called triplet. In this classification, how many ions are coming closer is calculated. For example, if the 2 ions are coming closer, this is called droplet, and if 3 ions are coming closer, it is called triplet. Second classification is based on solute-solvent interaction. On this classification, first one is fully solvated. As its name suggests, fully solvated means all the two particles are completely covered by a solvent molecule. This is called fully solvated. When both ions have a complete solvation sphere is called fully solvated. In the fully solvated process, both ions, positive and negative ions, will be surrounded by their own sphere of solvent molecule. And second classification is Solvent shared. Solvent shared means two molecules have shared the sphere of same solvent molecules. Means the two molecule does not have their own spheres of solvent, but they are sharing the same sphere. In this case, one solvent molecule is present between positive and negative ion. So it is called solvent shared because here solvents get shared by both the molecules of solute. So this classification is called solvent shared. Third is contact. In this case, both positive and negative ions are in contact with each other and they are surrounded by a same sphere of solvent. Here they are in contact with each other and the solvent sphere is same. In the solvent shared, they share the same solvent molecule, same sphere of solvent, but they are not uh, in close contact with each other. But in the contact classification, they are in close proximity to each other and they have shared the same sphere of solvent. In case of fully solvated and solvent shared ion pair, the interaction is electrostatic. But in case of contact ion pair, covalent bonding is present. In case of fully solvated and solvent shared, the interaction between solute and solvent is because of electrostatic forces. And in case of contact, the interaction between solute and solvent is because of covalent bonding. It was whole about the two topic association and solvation, and they give a brief idea what is the difference between the solvation, hydration and association process. Thanks for watching this video.